HTC Flyer, new version of HTC Sense tablet specifically designed for the Flyer. So when you're rotating, you'll see the images and the slides will come out in 3D. The widgets have been changed specifically for tablet use, so if we go to something like music, wherever I have located that, the widget is now different from how it was on the normal HTC Sense devices. You have your recently played album, so rather than having to dive into the music application to find that favourite album you want to listen to every other album, you can just select on that menu easily a recent album. A lot of the other widgets will work in a very similar way, so you can flick through your photos, you can still click on them to expand them into a bigger view. But now with the HTC Flyer we have the scribe technology, so the pen button is down there that only works by using the pen on it. And in applications like photos or e-reader or the specific note applications, we can draw / highlight areas of photos. You can select your different colours, your different pen types, different pen sizes. A bit of a red photo, so we can colour that in the background red. So you've got all your different pen options in features like photos. As soon as you go out of that, you'll notice the key goes red, so that indicates that the pen's not specifically designed there. But if we want to take a screen capture, when we've got the icon red, you can just tap, captures the screen, and again you can then write down notes, annotate, highlight as you wish, and then by pressing with your finger you've got the options to save, send via Facebook, email, Twitter, Flickr, that kind of stuff, or print or discard, which we will do. Similar situation with e-reader, with readers, so again you can highlight pages, you can write notes, you can save those to them pages so they appear there, or you can add more. Very similar experience, but with the added graphical enhancements. One of the key applications is going to be notes, so we'll look at that, which will be there. So we've got a tie-up with one of our strategic partners, Evernote. So any notes you make on here, if you set up an Evernote account, will link and then save themselves over the cloud to be then used on another Android device or on a PC. You can record voice during this application, and then if you choose to draw, when you come back to your recording, you'll see a little green mark, which is a time mark. So when you go to playback, when you get to that specific point, it indicates that you annotated or you drew at that point just by flashing up an image of what happened. You can then save any of these notes or applications to calendars, so if it was a note you took in a specific meeting, you can save that note to that meeting, so when you go back to review it, all the information is just in one easy place. We have a link up with videos, so Watch allows us to cruise videos, you can download, you can buy, or you can view trailers, and then if we find the video that we have on there, when you go to landscape, you notice the buttons all move with you. So the buttons that were on the portrait have disappeared and they've appeared in the landscape modes. And this will feature progressive downloading. So as soon as you start to download a video, you can watch it, and it will download as you watch.
Does it work in landscape as well?
The device does, but we're not showing that at the moment, so we're just working on the software for that.
What about this specification?
So 7-inch tablet, it's a 1024 by 600 resolution screen. Comes with 32 gig of internal storage plus a micro SD expansion, 5 megapixel camera on the back, 1.3 megapixel camera front facing, Wi-Fi, all your standard stuff. And then it also features the HTC unibody design, so the case is made of one piece of aluminium. Okay, that's about it.